Here we see the Wolverine in its natural environment. The Wolverine is one of the world's most dangerous creatures. When provoked, it flies into a blinding rage, where it then tells its opponent for at least an hour that it's the best at what it does, and what it does is not pretty. The Wolverine is attracted to the red-crested phoenix, which it tries to woo, despite the fact that she is life-bonded to the one-eyed stick-up-his-butt. Rejected, the Wolverine will sit for hours on the bed, making its nest and watching all episodes of RuPaul's Drag Race. Here's the Wolverine pooping. We probably should have skipped this part. Oh, and when threatened, it will also pop out its adamantium claws and destroy a bunch of ninjas or whatever. It is a Wolverine after all. Making a nest, it then falls to sleep, dreaming of the red-crested